We're going to give you some more view of this. Whoa, there's a lake there off in the distance. Looks like a fairly big one. Yeah, I'm not going to tell you where it is. Oh, I see snow on the mountains in the distance. Well, that wind, I should have brought the cover for my microphone. But anyway, there it is. Broke out of the thing. So what we're going to have to do is fix this without spending any money. Okay, now we got it. There's what we got. We got a little tie wrap. Just cut the end on it, and there it is there. It's glued on. Anyway, now we have to let that dry, and then we can check it out. So hopefully it's going to work. Lock it. Open it. Lock it. Okay, and you want to see if it's going to lock? There we go. And there we lock it.